Ready to ditch the digital wilderness and finally see your adventures unfold on a Basecamp map? First, let's launch Basecamp. You will want to make sure you have downloaded it onto your computer beforehand. Once Basecamp is open, check the left-hand panel. Make sure your device is recognized. Ensure your Garmin GPS device is connected to your computer via USB cable. Basecamp should automatically detect it. If not, check your cable connection and device settings. Next, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen. Then select Import. This is where we'll bring in your map data. Basecamp supports several map formats, including GPX, KMZ, and IMG files. Choose the file that contains your desired map data. These map files can be downloaded from various online sources or generated from GPS devices. A window will pop up prompting you to select the map file from your computer. Locate the downloaded file, select it, and click Open. Once imported, your map will appear on the Basecamp display. You can now view, pan, and zoom to explore the details of your route or adventure. To customize the map's appearance, go to View, then Map Options. Here, you can adjust detail levels, display preferences, and other settings to optimize your viewing experience. And that's it. You've successfully loaded a map into Basecamp. Now, you can plan your routes, analyze your tracks, and visualize your next great adventure. Happy exploring!